You mean sitting at home, I can command the robot in the city market? Asked Prem Chopra. It operates within a limited radius of a kilometer. By the way, this one is called Ram Singh 070, the salesman explained. Prem Chopra nodded. The salesman demonstrated the gait, grip, movement, and some programmed functions. Everything was well tuned and fixed. Prem Chopra seemed satisfied with the deal. Uh, I must tell you, like all robots and adhering to the discipline of robotics, Ram Singh has an inbuilt system of three principles. Number one, the robot will obey his master. Number two, the robot will not harm humans. Number three, and the robot will not take harm to self. Prem Chopra heard the first principle and it impressed him. He did not take notice of the other two. He nodded delightedly, yes, very good, and signed the sale deed and contract of no misuse of robot. He had now got a servant and an accomplice. If Ram Singh 070, my robot, can shop for groceries, then why not for better things like jewels? Thought Prem Chopra. In the market, robots carrying heavy packet, buying theater tickets, carrying groceries to the cars were a common sight, but still strange and amusing servants. Ram Singh 070 was thoroughly efficient with tremendous speed and accuracy. He collected the groceries into the shopping trolley and paused for the next command. 2 kilograms of mangoes, ripe and juicy, commanded Prem Chopra from a distance. Seeing a huge pile of mangoes, in no time, Ram Singh 070 had selected the best mangoes. Pay at the cash counter. Prem Chopra spoke into the commander. Ram Singh 070 followed Prem Chopra like a faithful dog when he stopped at Gopal Jewellers. Through the glass window, he saw a generous display of gold ornaments. Quickly, Prem Chopra disappeared around the corner and spoke into the remote control. Softly and clearly, picked up a necklace and hide. Shh, no noise. Information not to be revealed. Top secret, top secret. Otherwise, I will defuse your system. He threatened the robot. Ram Singh 070 moved inside the shop, closed the counter. His metallic palm expanded forward silently, and the necklace went into the storage unit without a clink for a jingle. Nobody take notice. From expensive antiques to the ornaments and precious stones, the shop lifting went on for some days without any trace of anxiety and recognition in the beginning. But the confused reaction of shop owners gradually became louder. Unaware, Prem Chopra went on with his shoplifting spree until a young fruit vendor noticed an expensive bunch of Afghani grapes disappearing inside the metallic blue robot. The incident was related all over. No sooner had they heard than some shopkeepers recalled the preference of metallic blue robot in their shops before their valuable were missing. This information reached the police headquarters in no time. One day, Prem Chopra guided Rom Singh Robots 070 to Jhaveri Brothers for lifting precious gems. Gems. The police was waiting in readiness, and computerized cameras capable of split second recording clicked imminent the act. Ram Singh robot was caught, but Prem Chopra fled as soon as he saw through the binoculars. Two persons noting down Ram Singh's license number printed on his metallic neck. Prem Chopra was arrested from his home as the owner of Ram Singh 070. The thief. Soon after his arrest, Prem Chopra was released on bail until the court hearing. None of the stolen articles were recovered from the house. He had cleverly disposed them off through his gang. In the court, he denied all the charges. Someone else seems to have tampered with Ram Singh 070's program. The police found me at home, he argued. Counsel Goel cleared his throat and reached closer to the judge. Considering Mr. Chopra's explanation and the happening of the last few days, when so many jewelers and curio dealers have been affected, it seems important to know the working of Ram Singh robot. I request Ram Singh robot to be called in the court. Robot goes to court, where the headlines in the next newspapers. The next day, the court was overcrowded with people, keen to watch a robot into the witness box. Witness box. Counsel Goel was taking up points till the last moment. He appeared confident and crisp, but so was Prem Chopra. Never would this machine may betray his master. The proceedings began and Ram Singh 070 appeared in the witness box. Your Honor, Counsel Goel began, I am told by super robots that the memory tape designed in these types of robots contains information of the previous weeks. But the case started a fortnight after the incident. The needed information must be wiped out, the judge said. Counsel Goel smiled softly, staring at Prem Chopra. Sir, the robot has been switched out of operation ever since. Prem Chopra's face fell like this. But he was confident Ram Singh 070 would obey his master. The secrets were sealed. You may continue, ordered the judge.